how to change country reason in Instagram. So let's get started with the tutorial. As we all know, Instagram does not have a built-in feature to change the country or reason. So if you have to do it, then you will have to do it through the phone settings. So in order to do so, let's simply go back to the iPhone's home screen and tap on the settings option available there. Now, once you tap on the settings, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the general option available in there. Then again, once you inside the general, you will have to scroll down and there you will get to see language and reason option available. All you have to do is tap on the language and reason. Then in there, tap on the reason option available there. Inside reason, you will get to see list of countries name. Simply tap on one according to your preferences and change it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.